All right, today we're taking a look at the 2017 Maserati GranTurismo MC Coupe Centennial Edition. This is a two-owner, clean Carfax, 47,000 miles on it. I think window sticker MSRP was $145 on this car. It does have the $11,000 paint option on it. I forget what it's called, but it's listed on the site. Carbon fiber mirrors, door handles, front skirt, rear wing, and a bunch of interior components. And that hood is fully carbon fiber as well. So it is a Centennial Edition. It's a numbered car, 1 out of 400. You got the full leather interior with the Alcantara. A little hard to see right now with the sun. Down here's your Centennial stamp. This car is number 147 out of 400. As you see, you got carbon fiber in the center, doors, dash, door sills, the full cluster, a lot of carbon fiber, even in the rear back here. So 2017 Maserati GranTurismo MC Coupe Centennial Edition, two-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents. This one's going live on the website today. Show you my favorite part. That hood is fully exposed carbon fiber underneath. Give you one more walk around. Here you can see that little wing, all carbon fiber. Clean car going on the website today at bryansautocenter.com.